Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this Land Rover 3-litre diesel 2014-15 model. Now if you've got restricted performance in red, you're losing power, intermittent, maybe not all the time, maybe sometimes, then and you get in this code P0486 exhaust gas recirculation sensor B short circuit pending. Now if you're getting that, before you start changing anything, before you start doing anything, I'll show you exactly where the sensor is. This is the sensor here, right here. It's known as like the throttle body, in other words, as well. Before you do it, please take my advice, take this off, pull this back. There's a valve in there. Play around with the valve, see if it's okay. So do you know what? We might as well just get onto it. So here it is. Here, like this. Pull it back, if I can do it. It's a bit of a nightmare. One sec. There we go. So it's out. Obviously you can use a screwdriver, but I haven't. Check there, see if it's not clogged up. Feel for it, see if it's not sticking. If it is sticking, which most likely it will be in your guys' case, take it off or even clean it as it is, but be careful it doesn't go back into the engine. But we highly recommend you take it off, and then once you've done, do a full scan, reset the adaptation on the diagnostic machine, and once you have, let's just put this back in. And I've obviously checked, it's all cleaned up in that sense. So what we'll do in this case, we've not changed any parts. If you do, we recommend OEM. Come back out of this. I'll do a full scan and clear. There is also another section which is a special function section. Get onto that, reset the adaptation, and just take it for a nice drive. But Range Rovers are known for this issue, so that's why we recommend before you change parts, components, get onto it, clean it, then do that.